Aloha people, this is Aloha Lake. Freddie Nate, we got into Tahoe, we took a zero. Today, the 7th I believe, we resupplied and got back on trail probably around 2:30 p.m. I have no idea how many miles we've done. We're just gonna keep hiking until we feel like crap or we find a good campsite. Still a lot of snow as you can tell. What do you do? Tahoe behind me. Oh yeah. Ski resort. Yesterday I did my first 30-mile day. Today I'm getting into Truckee. I'm less than 7 miles away from the road. I only need like a day or so worth of food and get to Sierra City in a couple of days. I got a package waiting there for me, so. Going underneath Interstate 80, I think. It's a nice drainage ditch. Pretty stinking cool river. Big old monstrous bridge. Okay, update. So, made it to Sierra City 4 p.m. I think. I was hoping to be able to get my package and like get a burger and whatnot, but there was a fire 3 miles from here, and when they have big fires they close down all the power to the city. I don't know why. They said it'll be open, the power will be on at 8:30, so I'm gonna wait till then. I think the fire's taken care of, so I think we're all good. I don't think I'm gonna die from forest fire. Yeah, I'm just up at Joanne's house, a lovely trail angel that lets people camp in her yard. There's public restrooms right there that has free showers, free cold showers. Then I'm gonna hit it out in the morning. Morning. So I stayed at Sierra City last night. I went to Red Moose Cafe, had some breakfast. I'm out of here. I got my package last night. Pretty cute little town. I can see why people like to stay there for a while. I was gonna send some stuff home here, but the post office doesn't open till 10. So next time I'm gonna send some stuff home. I got some micro spikes. Get to climb over the buttes today. Be a long, hot climb, and then I don't know, just walk, I guess. I'm weird. Why do I walk so much? Hi, it's morning time. Did 30 miles yesterday. Gonna do a big climb today. Thanks. Big river. Look at it. It's big. It's big. I'm silly. What up, y'all? Yesterday was amazing. I caught North Country at the top of a 10-mile climb. There was a sign up there that said Trail Angel's house with her address and phone number. We got into the Trail Angel. I'd done 22 miles that day, which is not very much. I was wanting to do more. She made dinner for us. We had sodas. She had these big, thick foam mattresses that we slept on her huge deck. We had a campfire and s'mores. She made breakfast for us. There was probably 10 or 11 of us there. The best thing I could have asked. Wonderful showers. Did laundry. Just amazing. Their names was Terry and Nancy. I have no idea where I'm going today, how far I'm going. I just know that I'm hiking. It's actually really beautiful today. See these massive NorCal views. Good news, I think yesterday was the first day with not touching snow. Quite amazing. Ironically, we hate hiking. 1,200 miles of hiking. Kind of getting tired of it now. Today we came down into Belden. It's not really a town, it's more of a building. I got a little bit of a hamburger. Stayed there for a few hours. Extremely hot down below. Decided that I'd hike out when the sun went down, so it'd be cooler. Let's go do another 6 or so-ish. So that's what I'm doing right now. I finished the climb up in the morning. It's a big, long climb. Kind of want to knock some of it out. I'm just gonna climb up. Apparently there's trail magic. Oh yeah, look at this. It looks glorious. Look at this. Midpoint. Woo! Trying to get a hitch out of Chester. It's like some sort of hot springs. This is a lava tube. It's a cave right outside of Old Town. There's Critter. It's so nice and cold down here. This is really cool. It's like freaking smooth walls. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. It's like the desert all over again. Hot out. It's hot out. It's hot. It's very hot. No shade. Scarce water. We're gonna camp at cache 22, 550 gallon water cache. Biggest day yet. I think a 36 or a 37 mile day. Guys, I'm almost done for the day. 37 miles. I am dead. My feet feel like they're gonna fall off. I made it. The road. Cache 22, baby. Like death. Oh, this is the day's damage. 37 miles. Feet are dead. Like a nice black blister. Today we're going into Bernie. Yesterday did 36 miles. So my feet were hurting pretty bad. A few days before yesterday, I blister on both feet. Yesterday I did 36 miles and at the end of it my feet were about dead. Today I woke up, my feet were still about dead. Blisters, open wounds, dirt in it. Haven't had like any good water really to clean my feet that much. Yesterday probably didn't help doing 36, but today only doing about 17 to get into Bernie. Resupplied, just in a lot of pain. Stop. Oh, my feet, dead, about dead. Poop out, fall off, dead, death, or dead. Don't poop out on me, I still got a lot to go. It is hot in Topeka. Topeka? It's hot in Topeka. 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 Toe picker, hot. Toe picker, pick my toe, it's hot.